Assalamu alaikum to all my friends out there who are here. I hope you all are doing good out there by the grace of Allah. Ramadan cream to all of you. Ramadan in Qatar is a time of deep spirituality, reflection, and community bonding, and one of the most cherished traditions during this holy month is the Ramadan Tent. Right now, I'm going to Ramadan Tent near Education Mosque, Education City, Doha. Let me tell you, near the iconic Education Mosque in Education City, this beautifully arranged Ramadan tent offers a unique experience for worshippers, students, travelers, visitors seeking to embrace the true essence of the month. Nestled within the serene surroundings of Education City, the Ramadan tent near Education Mosque serves as a gathering space for people to break their fast and engage in spiritual activities. The proximity to the mosque allows attendees to conveniently participate in Maghrib, Isha, and Taraweeh prayers, further enhancing the spiritual atmosphere. The tent provides a generous Iftar meal every evening, featuring traditional Qatari and Middle Eastern delicacies such as dates, laban, soups, grilled meats, and Arabic sweets. Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, is also offered, ensuring attendees have the necessary nourishment to observe the fast. Beyond dining, the Ramadan tent serves as a space for reflection and discussion. Various Islamic lectures, Quran recitations, and discussions on the significance of Ramadan take place, fostering an environment of learning and unity. Visitors can engage in charity initiatives such as food distribution programs and donations, making it an ideal place to give back to the community. With Education City being a center for students and professionals from diverse backgrounds, the Ramadan tent offers a welcoming space for those who may be away from home during holy month of Ramadan. It allows to experience the warmth of a communal iftar, meet like-minded individuals, and strengthen their faith. Many people ask me the question how to visit. The Ramadan tent near Education Mosque is open to all and easy accessible within Education City. Free parking and public transport facilities make it convenient for all of you. Whether you are a resident or a visitor, Doha, the Ramadan tent provides a soul-enriching experience that encapsulates the spirit of Ramadan, faith, generosity, and unity. It is a place where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate the blessings of the sacred month. Guys, see you at the Ramadan tent near Education Mosque in Education City, Doha.